Mabuhay! Good day everyone! This is Group 2 from BSHM3A and we would like to present to you our topic entitled Water and Wastewater System. So may you lend us all your ears and let us learn.
Introduction of Water Management. Water Management is Manila Water Company and Maynilad Water Service Inc. are two concessionaries that provide water supply and manage the distribution system as well as the sewer facilities in Metro Manila. The vision of Manila's water is to become customer-driven, Filipino-led, world-class water service provider uses the best global technology. Then, water is purchased much the same way consumers purchase electricity. A meter measures the numbers of cubic meters of water actually consumed by the purchaser. Isasalin ko sa Tagalog, panimula ng pamamahala ng tubig. Ang pamamahala ay tubig sa Maynila na kumpanya ay ang pangalan ay Maynilad. Ito ay pangalan ng tubig. Kumpanya higit sa tubig sa aming serbisyo nila. Kumpanya, Inch Maynilad. Dalawang mga konsenaryo na nagbibigay ng supply ng tubig at pamamahalaan ang sistema ng pamamahagi ng gayon din ang posibilidad ng imburnal sa Metro Manila. Then, ang pangitain ng Maynila tubig ay upang maging hinihimok ng customer na pinamumunuan ng Pilipino uri ng mundo. Serbisyo ng tubig ginagamit tagapagtustos ang pinakamahusay na pandaigdigang teknolohiya. Binibili ang tubig sa parehong paraan na binibili ng mga mamimili. Ang kuryente na sinusukat ng metro ang bilang ng mga metro kubiko ng tubig na aktual na konsumo ng bumibili. My trivia is why is important to wastewater? Bakit daw mahalaga ang tubig important? Because although water is very important to us as a human, it gives us strength when we are thirsty or even hungry. It also helps to know the importance of water management and our stomach. It fills us up if we drink a lot in just one day. So maybe it is very important that the water does not act when the faucet is full of his clothes immediately, so that the nature of the water does not become sullen. The water is also our flawless use in our daily life, and we will learn the water is that we save and work hard to save extra water so that if we lose water, we will have something to drink if the pipe is break. Thank you. That's all.
The major components of water bill include the following. First is the basic charge. It is what the consumer pays for actual water consumption. It is also a fixed charge required to be paid by a customer for energy services during the prescribed period. Sinasabi po dito na yung bill nyo daw po sa water is depende po sa mako-consume nyo per month. Pwede pong this month is 500 and the other month is 300. Or pwede po na mas mataas pa dun. Second is the currency exchange rate adjustment or the SIRA. It is a fixed rate. Pag sinabi naman po nating fixed rate is ito po yung parang hindi na po nababago yung bayad nyo per month. For example po, dun po sa lugar na tinitirhan nyo is yung bayad po talaga or yung bill po ng water nyo is 500 per month. Yun po, hindi na po siya nababago. Maintenance service charge based on the size of the meter. It is also covers the maintenance of water meter. The charge changes depending on the size of the water meter. So dito po sinasabi na yung daw pong bill nyo sa water is nakadepende daw po sa meter. Same po dun sa basic charge, nagbabago rin po ito monthly. Environmental charge is the 10% of the basic charge plus the CERA. Dito daw naman po is yung 10% of basic charge. For example po, 500 po yung basic charge nyo. So, kukuhain mo po yung 10% nun, ipa-plus mo po dun sa CERA which is the fixed rate. For example po, 320 po yung fixed rate nyo. i-add nyo po. Then yung magiging equivalent po nun is yun po yung babayaran nyo na bill. Doon po pumapasok ko environmental charge. Lastly is the sewer charge. It is the 50% of the sum of the basic, the CERA, and the environmental charge. Sewer charge mean the total fees charges paid by the customer for use of wastewater treatment and collection works. Note, the government charges the VAT or the value-added tax. A value tax added is a consumption tax that levied on the product repeatedly at every point of sale which its value has been added.
About 75% of water supply to a building has to be disposed through the drainage and sewerage system, the sewer charge in the water bill. Customarily, the architectural drawings of the building, fair lodging, or franchise operation will include plumbing, electrical, and mechanical connections. The discharge system starts with the sink, which has the trap, a curved section pipe where the bottom part of the pipe traps some water. It is called P-trap when the drain pipes go into the wall and S-trap when the drain pipes go into the flow. In addition, these traps are suggested to have flow drains located directly beneath large sink.
5 types of sink or 5 uri ng lababo. Ang una natin is pot sink. Ito yung malalim na lababo which is 28 inches yung kanyang lalim. Tapos medyo malapad din siya. Tapos hand sink. Ito yung maliit lang na lababo na hinawa lang ng kamay. Madalas na nakikita sa mga fast food bago sa inasal may hinawan, ganun. Tapos box sink. Ito yung 24 inches yung haba niya. Tapos both side merong drain board. Doon inilalagay yung mga papatuyin na hinugasan. Then preparation sink, usually meron siyang iba't ibang portion ng butas magkakabukod. Tapos minsan meron din siyang cutting board sa gilid para doon na mag-chop. Tapos diretso hugas na. Tapos utility sink, ito yung nakapagkit sa pader. Tapos spacious yung ilalim niya. Pwede mong lagyan mga timba, mga cleaning agents, gano'n. Yun lang.
The discharge from kitchen contains grease. A grease trap is required to intercept the grease to prevent clogging the sewer system. Nung nagtatrabaho ako sa Jollibee, merong dong grease trap and kanya-kanyang assign pagka maglilinis yung grease trap. Mahirap linisin yung grease trap, pero ang grease trap ay malaking tulong pagka meron kang isang resto or sa kahit sa kitchen mo. Kasi naiiwasang magbara yung daloyan ng tubig. And hindi siya abala pag meron ka ng ganito. And kasi yung sa kitchen ay usually naman ang ginagamit sa kitchen may langis. Yung langis naman natin pagka walang grease trap ay halimbawa, nailagay mo sa simpleng daloyan lang ng tubig. Pag nailagay mo siya is nalalamigan siya, tas tumitigas. Ayun yung dahilan kung bakit minsan nagbabara yung daloyan ng tubig. And ang ginagawa ay yung mainit na tubig sinasalinan ng mainit na tubig para matunaw yung mga langis-langis na nakabara. The water waste output of the garbage disposal, dishwasher, all sinks and flow drain must pass through the grease traps before it enters the sewer system. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng water waste ay kailangan dumaan muna sa grease traps para maiwasan yung pagbabara bago pumunta sa sewer system. Ang grease traps ay may 3 layer. Ang una ay tinatawag itong inlet zone. Dito pumapasok yung mga wastewater, pati yung grasa, tsaka o kaya yung mga food particles na sama sa tubig, like mga kanin or mga karning tira-tira. Ang pangalawa ay grease separation zone. Ang grasa ay mas magaan kasi kaysa sa tubig. Kaya naiipon ito sa tuktok at sa pinakataas ng grease traps. At ang dumadaloy lang is yung tubig na na medyo malinis, na walang kasamang langis-langis. Ang pangatlo ay outlet zone. Dito lumalabas yung tubig na mas malinis dahil nga nasala na ng trap yung grasa o kaya yung mga food particles na natira bago pumasok sa sewer system, and may iwasan nitong ang pagbara. Mahalaga ang regular na paglilinis ng grease trap. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, may 3 parte ito at kailangan natin siguraduhin na nagpa-function ng maayos ang 3 part ng grease trap para mas masigurado tayong hindi babara ang ating drainage system o ang sewer system.
The grease trap and its content. So I have here a picture which is a grease trap that we can usually see under the kitchen sink. So here are the parts of the grease trap. From the left side, we can see the inlet pipe from the kitchen wherein the wastewater from the sink enters from the grease trap. Then next is the tray where the grease solidifies and collect above. It is the bottom of the floor of the grease trap. Third is the handle for removing tray. It helps us to remove easily the filtered grease from the grease trap. Then the rotting eye on the right side of the grease trap. For the insertion of rods to clear blockage, it has removable cups. Then last but not the least is the grease trap free beneath tray that runs to drain. And where the grease-free water that flows to drain at the right side, it directs to the sewerage system. The purpose of the grease trap is to collect and therefore reduce the amount of fats, oils, and greases, in short FOGs, that enters the main sewer, because when the grease enters in the main sewer system, without grease trap, it can create blockage, foul odors, and pest infestations. The plumbing networks require periodic maintenance to keep it working efficiently, but practicing sanitary engineers stated that the most hotels and restaurants in Metro Manila do not usually have a regular maintenance crew in its payroll, and their services for plumbers usually called only if there is something bad happen on their pipe. For example, the most clogging pipes are the toilets. Even at our house, we just called plumbers if our toilets is clogged. Same at the hotels and restaurants in Metro Manila, and our bad is that we don't maintain our pipes clean. That's why our pipes or wastewater flows badly, especially when throwing tissues and some things that makes our toilet bowls clog. The services plumbers are called upon only when there are clogs in the sewerage system.
Next, water supply and plumbing. Why does it matter? Water supply and plumbing is a major problem not only on the urban areas, but all over the archipelago. The demand for water is constantly increasing, with as yet no corresponding increase in supply. The storage and water supply is slowly on its way to become a major crisis that's going to cause citizens living in the Philippines an enormous problem. The demand for water is hardly being met due to the low supply of water that has no sign of increasing anytime soon. Water is essential for us all. We use it for all various of things, bathing and toilets needs, laundry, cooking and drinking, and etc. So, the increasing demand and decreasing supply can increase the cost of water, making families who can barely afford water even more unaffordable. It will most likely cause other expenses increase in price due to almost every product needs water to be produced. This storage needs to be resolved as soon as possible, or else we will suffer the major consequence that it will bring if not solved immediately.
Okay, let's move on about the bottled water production, a food product recognized by the US Food and Drug Administration or the FDA. Bottled water undergoes stringent regulation to ensure sanitation and quality. The FDA, through its good manufacturing practices, outlines the necessary guidelines that covers all types of bottled water, including mineral water. These practices set the baseline for maintaining the integrity of the product. Going beyond the FDA standards, the Codex Alimentarius established by the FAO or the WHO Food Standards Programs introduces additional requirements to production and quality. This global initiative emphasizes the importance of adhering to internationally recognized standards, with auditors evaluating bottlers worldwide to ensure compliance. Bottling water goes beyond mere packaging. It necessitates a commitment to quality control tailored to meet consumers' preferences. This involves a meticulous process to ensure the production of various water types that cater to diverse demands of consumers. Internationally, auditors play a crucial role in evaluating bottlers against global standards. This underscores the significance of maintaining high-quality standards in production of bottling water, emphasizing its global impact and consumption. Next one is, despite its popularity, it's essential to note that bottled water comes at a notable cost. Compared to tap water, this cost reflects the comprehensive regulatory measures and quality control processes in place to guarantee a safe, superior product for consumers. Understanding these regulatory frameworks provides valuable insight into meticulous process governing the production of bottled water, from FDA standards to initiatives like Codex Alimentarius. These regulations ensure that consumers can trust the safety and quality of this widely consumed product.
And here is the end of our topic presentation. I hope you learned something from it. Again, this is Group 2. Thank you.